It's kind of a one-stop shop of accessing information and sharing ideas that is more interactive and multimedia. That collaborative piece is there.
And Huddle Up is a perfect resource for being able to have learners collaborate with one another. You can create natural engagement using Huddle Up by bringing collaborators together in a project kind of based experience.
I've used a lot of different softwares and learning management systems, which I won't name. I always get frustrated because I can see how they're kind of counterintuitive. They're saying we're proficiency based and we build collaboration, but it feels like it's holding you back in that past paradigm of the adult, the teacher plans and drives everything. And I did not feel that with Huddle Up.
We were looking for more tools and technologies to engage the audience and the accelerator members in between each session. And that's where Huddle Up came in.
And it's all centrally located rather than sifting through multiple assignments, allowing us to see everything in real time. So who's doing what, who's got what done, and also what kind of feedback they're giving to each other.
Using it has been really inspirational for our teachers. It's a very unique platform in the fact that it does have those collaborative functions. This brings it all into one place, and so it is bringing back that feeling of togetherness. It's bringing that back, which is something that is kind of hard to capture, but Huddle Up does that really well.
It helps solve the issue of folks not completing coursework by giving them motivation, by putting them into a peer group, having some accountability.
So when people have implemented those strategies and they can share them, others will learn from that. And that's really where the learning is going to take place. It's not going to take place just sitting there listening to me.
For employers, they can obviously use it to upskill or reskill their employees. They can put it in their learning, training, and development models in a way that's a natural learning situation, not in a way where they have to all jump into a classroom. There's a lot more natural fit.
Before we used Huddle Up, we talked a lot about building community, connecting people with a shared purpose. My experience with Huddle Up put all that talk into action.
It brings the cohort closer together where they're able to, get to know each other really well. Being able to reference other people's work has been really helpful.
Yeah, so it's a really creative solution to that. I don't have time, or when can I do that? It's made things visible for everyone, and the expectations are really clear. And then as a leader, I can see who's done what and follow up. So the accountability piece has been made very, very clear as well.
There's also opportunities for our community organizations, businesses, and educational partners to also work together. A lot of times things get lost between meetings. Huddle Up would allow them to continue to work continuously throughout that process, and it could speed up the overall development process or project management within our communities and our ecosystems.
Basically, finding a platform like Huddle Up allows us to track growth easier. It allows us to look at what that growth might be, and also to make some changes in our program based on the data that is provided through Huddle Up.
So it's a model for what you want to happen in the class. You want that discourse. And when that doesn't happen, there's no learning happening. What you're seeing is people are sharing their thinking, which is powerful. And that's what you want to model in the classroom. So the same thing that's happening on Huddle Up is what you want to see in the classroom.
In terms of how it changed learning, it changed their interactions with each other and the teacher. And I think fundamentally that is critical.